Here's the midday update for August 19th, 2011. The Dow intraday chart, which I rarely do, but in this case, I have to. Looks like we completed the third wave down to 10,880, got a perfect upward 4 that retraced 0.38 to the downward 3, and now we could be in at least an ABCDA ending diagonal. So far we have A, B, and C. Let's refresh this, see where we are right now. Looks like A, B, C, and if you get a rally into the to 3 o'clock, that'd be a D and then a final E. That's the most ideal scenario, is an ending diagonal. And when you see ending diagonals, they typically occur at the bottom of a formation, and many of my bottom calls have ended with an ending diagonal. So it looks like they're setting up ending diagonal formation, which would be A, B, C, and ending diagonals usually break new intraday lows, so I wouldn't be surprised. But it's so far it's A, B, C. So we need to get small rally at 2:30 back to to get a D wave and then an E wave into the close. For Nasdaq, the way it's setting up right now is that we got a 4 to exactly 0.382, which is actually 0.32 is around 24.20, but we got to 24.15, and then now we're getting at least on any diagonal. This would be A, B, C, and we need a small rally at between 2:30 and 3 o'clock to get a D wave and then an E wave into the close. Let's see where we are right now. Trying to spike down a little bit. So we're at A, B, C. So we need a D and an E to complete it. For S&P, we traced exactly 0.382 of the downward 3 to 11:55 intraday, and that would be qualify as a perfect upward 4, which means that we're in a possibly an any diagonal fifth wave. So basically, you have A, B, C. So we need to get a rally between 2:30 and 3 o'clock, hopefully. But if it turns to downward 3, it'll be a pure 5. Um, Fifth waves are unpredictable, but they can truncate, they can form any diagonals, they can form wave 1 equals wave 5, wave 1 plus wave 3 equals wave 5, etc., etc. But there's so many scenarios for fifth waves, but the most ideal scenario is in any diagonal. And let's see what's happening right now. Most ideal scenario is in any diagonal, and we need to get a small rally into the close by 3 o'clock, and then a final E wave down. What's the VXX? I think the VXX is probably spiking. Yeah. VIX is kind of holding at around 43. It needs to spike a little bit more. But all in all, this could be the 5 of 5, and it's forming an ending diagonal. S&P is starting to dip a little bit more. Let's see Dow. Yeah, ABC. I expected the new intraday low anyway. So, but hopefully it doesn't turn into a downward 3. That's not what I want right now. If we get a downward 3, then any diagonal scenario will be thrown out the window. But right now we have the setup, and we need to get a small D and then an E into the close. And by the way, for SPY 115 to 116, there's twice as many puts versus calls. So the SPY holders are getting quite greedy right now. They're getting quite greedy. Let's find out what happens to the close. Hopefully, we get a rally D wave into the close. It's a wrap.